Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be replacing the taillight bulbs in this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take these two Phillips head screws out. These are aftermarket screws. Whatever screws you have there, you're going to want to take those out. You just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew the top one, and unscrew the bottom one. Oh. Just grab the light assembly. You're just going to pull it towards the back of the vehicle. There we go. These are secured back here. There's two little pins that go in there. All right, so the marker bulb, the brake light bulbs, and the turn signal bulbs are these two right here. Top one, twist it to the left and pull it out. This is going to be, to pull the bulb out, you just pull it straight out. It's going to be a 3157. This bulb's actually broken. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. One of the filaments is broken. The other one is connected. So install that. Just lock it in place. Then line this up and twist to the right. The bottom is going to be the same. Untwist it, pull it out, reinstall it, lock it in place, line the tabs up, and lock it down. Reverse light bulb is right here in the middle. I'm just going to twist it to the left, pull this out. To pull the bulb out, just grab the bulb in the socket, pull it out. It's going to be a 3157 bulb. Slide it back in. Lock it in place. We'll slide these back into position. Give it a push, lock them in place. Now we're going to install these Phillips head screws. Get the top one started. And I'll start the bottom one. Just snug them down, not too tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.